You're walking down the street and someone passes by wearing bright, bold foam clogs. You recognize them as Crocs. Whether you think they're fashion forward or a footwear disaster, there's no denying that Crocs have become a global icon. Sure, they're not winning any beauty contests with their clunky shape and those infamous holes, but let's face it, they've earned a reputation for being ridiculously comfortable. It's like walking on squishy clouds. But have you ever wondered how these shoes are actually made? What material do they use to make Crocs so comfortable? And why could no one else replicate the same? And more intriguingly, why are they so trendy? Stick with us because we're going behind the scenes right into the factory where Crocs are born. We'll break down the production process in detail and reveal some surprising secrets about their rise to fame. Plus, there's a twist that will change the way you look at these shoes forever. But before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Now, Crocs didn't just pop into existence overnight. Their story began in 2002 when three friends, Scott Siemens, Lyndon Hansen, and George Bodecker Jr. set out to create the ultimate boating shoe, which would eventually result in the insane innovation that Crocs turned out to be. They realized the gap in the market. The fact that there was no shoe which was comfortable, water-resistant, as well as casual and lightweight. That's where they got their eureka moment. It all began when the two stumbled upon a special foam material called Croslite, which was lightweight, waterproof, and perfect for gripping wet surfaces, which is ideal for life on the water. Their prototype was the Beach Clog, which was introduced at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. Initially, it was met with skepticism, but the comfort, durability, and quirky design quickly won over the crowd. What started as a niche shoe for boating enthusiasts soon became a worldwide phenomenon. Today, Crocs are worn by everyone from healthcare workers to fashionistas, and the brand has sold over 850 million pairs globally. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter about how Crocs are made from start to finish. While they may seem simple, the process behind creating each pair is a combination of science, precision, and innovation. Let's start off with the raw materials. The material behind every pair of Crocs is Croslite, a closed-cell resin material that sets them apart from any other footwear. But would you believe that Crocs are actually made of beads? Let me explain. Croc factories receive Croslite in the form of small beads or pellets. These beads look like styrofoam, but don't be fooled as they're engineered for comfort, durability, and flexibility. When these Croslite beads arrive at the factory, they undergo a series of tests to ensure their quality. Only the best beads make it through. And here's where the magic begins. The beads are carefully stored until they're needed for protection. Do you want to hear a fun fact? Did you know that the special material used in Croslite was originally developed for use in boating shoes? It's true. Croslite is the type of foam resin that's not only lightweight but also non-slip and water resistant, making it perfect for being around water. So when you're rocking your Crocs, you're actually wearing shoes designed to keep sailors on deck. Plus, that's why they float if you ever, drop them in water. It's also antimicrobial, meaning it naturally repels bacteria and odor, which is why Crocs stay fresh even after long hours of wear. Now let's float into the details of the manufacturing process. The manufacturing process kicks off by feeding these tiny Croslite beads into industrial machines called injection molding machines. Here, the beads are exposed to high temperatures, causing them to melt into thick, liquid-like foam. This step is all about precision. The temperature needs to be just right. Too hot and the foam might overexpand, or if too cool, the foam won't flow properly into the molds. The heated Croslite now transforms into a pliable liquid, ready for shaping. With the Croslite melted, the next step is to inject this liquid foam into custom molds. These molds are specifically designed to create the shape of Crocs, including the signature holes and contours. Each mold can be adjusted for 4 different sizes and styles, ensuring that every pair of Crocs is the perfect fit. During the injection process, the liquid Croslite is poured into the molds at high pressure, ensuring every nook and cranny of the mold is filled. As the Croslite cools down inside the mold, it begins to expand and solidify. This is when the foam takes on its final, flexible form, turning from liquid into the familiar clog shape in a matter of minutes. And the explanation of Croslite during the cooling process would ultimately mean that each pair of Crocs is both lightweight and extremely comfortable. This unique property ensures that the shoes can offer support without feeling heavy on your feet. Plus, the foam's ability to evenly distribute pressure means Crocs can mold to the natural shape of your foot, creating that ultra-comfortable feel. After the foam has filled the mold, it's time for the cooling process. The molds are cooled at controlled temperatures to allow the Croslite to fully solidify. This stage ensures that the shoes maintain their structure and strength. Once cooled, the solidified Crocs are carefully ejected from the mold. What comes out are fully formed Crocs clogs, but they're still in their raw state with a few finishing touches left. The next step is trimming. As the Crocs emerge from the molds, there may be excess material around the edges. Workers or automated machines trim off these imperfections to give Crocs their clean, polished look. This is crucial for ensuring the shoes don't have any rough edges that could be uncomfortable to wear. Once trimmed, each pair undergoes a smoothing process where the shoes are examined and polished to ensure that the surface is smooth and free from any bumps or irregularities. Now comes the final assembly stage, adding the signature pivotal heel strap. These straps are assembled separately and then attached to the main body of the shoe. But here's something most people don't know. The heel straps aren't just for looks. It's more than that, as they're, functional. They add a level of customization, letting you decide how you want to wear your Crocs, either as a relaxed slip-on or with a snug, secure fit when the strap is used. This simple yet effective design feature makes Crocs perfect for any occasion, from lounging at home to outdoor adventures. Smash that subscribe button if you didn't know that up until now. Once the shoes are fully assembled, they go through quality control inspections. Each pair is checked for any defects, such as uneven molding, improper stitching, or incomplete assembly. Workers carefully inspect each shoe to make sure that every pair meets the high standards Crocs are known for. These inspections cover everything from the functionality of the heel strap to the durability of the foam. Once approved, the Crocs are packaged in their distinctive recyclable shoe bags or boxes. Packaging is designed to keep the shoes in pristine condition while minimizing the environmental footprint, aligning with Crocs' sustainable practices. From the factory, Crocs are shipped to distribution centers present all around the world. These centers manage large volumes of shoes, organizing them by size, style, and color before sending them out to retail locations and online fulfillment centers. Finally, the Crocs reach your favorite retail stores. Whether it's a dedicated Crocs outlet, a major shoe retailer, or online platforms, the shoes are displayed in a way that highlights their vibrant colors and playful designs. By the time you slip a pair on your feet, they've gone through a precise and efficient journey from the factory to your hands. Now that we covered how Crocs are made, let's talk about why they've become a global hit. Originally designed as practical boating shoes, Crocs quickly found their way into mainstream culture, becoming beloved by people of all ages and professions. Before we get into that, if you watched the video so far, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. So, getting on to why Crocs became a great hit in the market. First things first, the comfort. The unmatched comfort of Crocs is one of the biggest reasons for their popularity. The foam footbed cushions the feet, while the shoe's unique structure provides support and stability. But here's where Crocs get interesting. Studies have shown that Crocs may help alleviate foot pain, particularly for people with conditions like plantar fasciitis or flat feet. Their convenient design and cushioned sole make them a favorite among youngsters and anyone who spends long hours on their feet. Next up is their durability. If you've ever used Crocs, you probably realize that these bad boys are nearly indestructible. The Crocs-like material can withstand extreme conditions: hot, cold, wet, or dry, making it perfect for a wide range of activities. Whether you're trekking through mud, walking on the beach, or working in a kitchen, Crocs hold up under any conditions. Over the years, Crocs have expanded beyond their original clog design. Today, you'll find a variety of styles, from flip-flops to sneakers, in endless colors and patterns. The ability to customize your Crocs with gibbets charms has only fueled their popularity, allowing each wearer to express their own unique personality. Here's something that might surprise you. Crocs aren't just popular with humans, but they've also been used to help animals. In fact, zookeepers once used Crocs to create custom orthopedic shoes for an injured sea turtle. That's right. The turtle had an issue with its shell that was affecting its ability to walk properly. And Crocs were molded into special shoes to help regain mobility. How amazing is that? Crocs helped a turtle? Yeah, talk about versatility. Who knew that the name Crocs you would wear to the beach could also be used to help animals in need? And with their lightweight and cushiony material, it's no wonder they've made a difference in the animal world. If you learned something new about Crocs today, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at the products that shape our world.